things locally,
locally.
you know. Yeah.
Mm,
But I think for now you can just run it straight on the domain.
okay.
I think it will be much better. Yeah, man, no, your skill is quite good. I'm
Thanks,
just
man.
I just hope this year I secure one project. I was telling Zam, but I'm working behind the scenes like to push. There's
Yeah,
money out there, so
there's money out there. I'm trying that as well. I'm on my end. So remember on WhatsApp, I asked a question to go to you. Let's have a discussion between selenium and selenite. Because what I saw as I was doing research today, I saw selenite is quite good. Selenite is built on top of selenium. That's the thing. It's built on top of it, so it wraps around selenium, and then it's basically
The
everything
spelling
is
is
structured.
selenite.
Yeah,
Night as in.
NIDE.
it's actually
So
the first time I hear of it.
yeah, so that's what I was saying. Like, let's have a discussion on that and see um which framework is good, or we all prefer selenium because it's used everywhere basically. I don't know. That was
Yeah,
just
I mean,
a
selenium
topic.
is it's used everywhere, but that's what I'm saying. I've never seen one using selenite, that one or whatever that you call it. It's the first time now with this,
Yeah,
or I
I saw
haven't
it
been maybe
today
on
with my
forums,
research.
but
Yeah,
but I guess as I'm saying, if we are really dedicated, we can even still at the end of the day try it out and see the difference. So you see,
yeah.
so it's not really a
Some are
waste.
having network issues. We okay.
Okay.
Zama, can you hear us? I guess not.
My network is acting up.
I think she needs to log out and log back in. So let me push to branch. Are we happy with this first before I push?
Yeah, you can share.
Remember, Pella, we need in code review. Oh, sorry. Enter your screen. Share. Share. Am I sharing now? Okay, yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nati. So are we waiting for her? Or while we're waiting, let me just push. Uh, is everyone happy?
Yeah, I mean,
Uh,
so far I've been it's good. So
Are you sharing Tulani? I think
y-
my network is slow.
yeah, I've just started sharing now. It should come up on your side since you have a slow network. I'm not sure.
or just stop sharing and then share
Yeah,
again.
Okay,
I'll wait. Thank you.
stop and then share.
Wait till when you're doing your push, you remind me of this other girl, Indian girl. Oh, I push her did not mujus and did not ignore them. The system crashed. Oh, bruh.
Yeah, that's why I started Kayona Kitik no ew.
Mm,
Yeah, I've done the same thing in the past, but it was my own
mm,
project. Lucky enough, I was like, "What the hell?"
mm, mm, mm.
Zama, can you see? It should say infinity what now.
Yeah,
Am I sharing my? Can you see my screen, guys?
yeah, I can see your screen. I don't know about others.
Zama, I think Zama embedded. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this manual. I'm just going to use IntelliJ, guys.
Yeah, sure.
We'll learn Git some other time. I also need to ignore the IML thing. Where's my Git ignore? Oh, I said ignore, not Git ignore. Ish.
Change it, Baba.
Git ignore. Okay. And then I want this dot IML dot. Right, let me just copy from this one. Was the same? I'm using IntelliJ, so I'm going to take these.
Why is it showing an error?
Nah, it's not showing an error. It's red because it's not added to for commit. So I can just do this. It's going to be green. Yeah. So on IntelliJ, it's Control Alt A to add an item to for if you want to push something to a commit. What? It's Control Shift A. So add this, add that else POM file. Okay, I need this one and this. Comes the commit message.
Just say first no, just say API creation backend, API backend API backend creation.
Backend startup. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we need more endpoints.
Yeah.
And if you're going to use this project, guys, commit so that people, if they check the repo, they'll see your commits as well. So do say commit as well, and then push your commits. Don't work offline and then say here's my repo. I worked on this, and then they can't see your name anyway.
Sure.
Okay, it says pushed. Let's see if it's pushed. Okay. Here's another folder there. Okay, you can delete this folder when you pull. I don't know. Did I edit? Ranai.
Yeah, you did. Why is it ignore?
Okay. Yeah. So We said we must push this to be live, ne? Can you see the screen, Zama?
Yes, I can, but I'm on mobile. I'm still trying to join with the laptop.
Okay. So what I used on my side, I used Google Cloud to host it on would be live for everyone.
Yeah, you can call it SQE underscore QA underscore hub 2025. Yeah. So with this one, can it have like, let's say now, is this going to be our main project, and then under it we can have sub projects, like for example, we are doing now API testing. We can put
Yeah, so on this one, like the way I created it here, you see this is the whole project, like
yeah,
QA, there's
yeah,
backend, and then you can create
again,
a new module and call it QA.
you're gonna do API testing. Okay,
Yeah,
whatever.
call it QA
So
maybe, for instance. No, it's not Spring Boot. New module, maybe Java, Maven, whatever,
Maven, yeah.
QA, and then it's here. Now,
Yeah, we're gonna do the API in there. Okay.
yeah. So delete for now. Delete. Du- 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 du. Okay. Let's run with the test and see. One failed. Which one? Response time less than 500 milliseconds. Oh, it's slow. 981.
So it's
Yeah.
expecting that. Okay.
Yeah, it's expecting to be below 500. This is the what's this? This thing, lento basically postbot. Yeah. So it created this test, and then this one is failing because the server itself is slow in generating a new
General.
user and returning the response. Yeah. Well, so now again, one of the tests failed. Needs to be. We're not fixing anything. If it fails, it fails. At least we have something to continue our test on. Agreed.
Yeah, bro.
Or should,
Yes.
but we'll fix a few things that we deem necessary, though. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Did you finish pushing there on the?
Yeah, I did push.
Let me warm up food.
No stress. You can pull, guys, and see if you're able to like pull and run it. So while I'm waiting, I'll just do this in the temping. Are you winning?
Yeah, I've just cloned. I'm not sure about others.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying I've just cloned now.
Maybe you can share your screen, the
If you're
ones who are
struggling, Nat, you
struggling.
can share. Yeah, you can share your screen. Let me stop sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure, Brendan.
Sure, sure.
Oh, it's the branded.
No stress.
You know, right now I'm busy thinking about other ISTQ income.
It's coming up. Yeah, I can see it. Um, oops. Let me
It's supposed to
come
close.
to your screen. Give me a second. I can't find your screen now all of a sudden. Where is it? Okay, there. Uh, no, go to code. Yeah. And then click the green button written code. And then, wait, do you have an SSH key first? Did you generate a key? You don't have any, so you need to first create one. But then the temping, you can download it. Click on code and then download zip.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then you can look up on how to set up your Git with SSH. Yeah. Yeah, so do you open up your, did you extract it first and then open up your IDE? Mm. Whichever one you have, you can open IntelliJ, it's fine, or that, yeah, and then you click File, Open, File, Open folder. This should be open, yeah. Navigate to it. Don't select it. Open it. Like go inside it first. But let's see. Extend that. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think it's fine. There's your POM file. Yeah, so yeah, you're able to access it. If you source main Java, backend application. No, yeah, that's the file. Yeah, you'll create a branch and then push it there. Yeah, and then once you're ready, then you can, yeah, cool, cool. Okay, what's next? Docker. But Philip mentioned that we can just for now basically run this locally, and then I don't know. Philip, he's still making food.
Another term that confuses me, when you say you're running it locally, will we be able to access it, Tangit?
If you run it locally, only you have access to it. So if you make changes, everything will be lapho kuwe nje. We can't see any changes on our end.
Okay, it's
So
like when we're creating branches and you work on your branch.
yeah. So reason I was saying, I created Docker and then push the Docker and make it live so that we can access it. Everyone can access it. For it to be like on the internet basically. See access a song, and then if you want to play with the one on the internet, you can play with that one, or you can play with the one on your local machine. Entirely up to you. So I
Oh,
don't know,
okay.
should we do that or Saibona later on? Because Philip was mentioning what no. For now, let's just run it locally, singayenzi layer online.
Okay, now I'm confused. Okay, ngicela ungadinwa Thulani.
Nah, angdini ungastress, you can ask.
Yes. So, yeah, it's about Docker. Okay, where do I find the Docker part? The Docker one?
I did not create that Docker, so I collab.
Or
I
you
forgot.
still
I
not done?
forgot entirely. Yeah, I forgot entirely. Ngayo.
Oh, okay.
You know that I'm thinking I need to push this on a live server.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh,
yeah,
okay. Okay,
So
no
hence I was
problem.
asking, should we do that, or go with Philip's strategy? Go to we practice on our own, and then when we're doing this on Saturday, one person shares the screen, and then it's contributing, do everything lapo, and then we learn
Mm.
using that person's machine, basically.
Okay, let's say okay,
Ah,
let's say we're working on your machine to learn, and you're not available on Saturday.
but we have the branch
This
is there.
one.
It's the branch is there. Everything that I did know, Yana, is there. So you can work on that and create other endpoints. So the only thing now you can do, everything is set up. The only thing, just create endpoints. There's nothing else left to do. It's just endpoints. Add your own endpoint, and then maybe Saturday come show us, run a test on your own endpoints. I don't know. It's something that comes up now. Yeah, run a test endpoint yakho, and then we share our ideas on that. Learn sisonke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, no, I get you. But I'm just scared to use main. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's best we create a branch and then a person works on their branch. When we share on Saturday, we share from the branch and then we agree that okay, this solution is usable or viable. You just push to the main and then everyone pulls from the main.
Cool. So now I need a branch. I need to create my own branch.
Yes.
Cool then. Okay.
But I mean I
So
don't wanna lie, shame. I'm still gonna go through this. Anjay, I'm still lost, but I know if I can practice, I will come right.
yeah, no, it needs a bit of practice as well. It's
So,
kuning.
Yeah.
Yes, Philip.
yeah. So, with regards to the branches, I was thinking because we have main. This is your sound. Okay, let me. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Sure.
I can.
So I was suggesting actually on top of branches, we should have main and then we have develop, right? So
Yes.
develop, I think we should if let's say we're gonna merge let's say whatever code from whichever branches to develop. I don't know what to take. Like if let's say it's gonna be a team work, or are we just gonna have someone who's gonna only update main, checking what others have, or how is it gonna be? Because I normally prefer
It's,
having main, develop, and then sub branches, like whatever branches that the meaning our individual branches.
yeah, and then we pull from develop and then to wherever.
Yeah, to wherever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Sounds like an idea, well.
Yeah, as long as you don't break the main one.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Let's rather have develop, and then from develop, that's where we create our branches. We create branches from develop and not main. So the
My,
only
my,
final code that, yeah.
yeah. So while on that, sorry to cut you short, Lapaya.
Mm.
Um, Lana, we have like last I checked, I invited like 14 people and we only have 6 on this meeting. So other people, bayazi yonke le nto sithetha ngayo.
Okay. If they're interested.
Baby friendship.
Yeah. Mhm.
Mhm. Yeah, for an
Yeah.
example, like where I am, okay, the bootcamp that I was on, we would have main and we create branches and we push to main whenever we decide with this solution, okay, we can push it. And where I work currently, I create a branch for my task and then I push it to main and someone else reviews it, and then they push it to main.
Yeah, we can do that. Have a code reviews, and then if
Mhm.
everyone is happy, instead of having develop, we all push to main, but then have
Someone to review it.
yes, reviews. At least have maybe two reviewers, and then if we get two okays, then we push to main,
Yeah.
2 or 3.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yes, Philip.
So I hear that I have very like a big branch. So there's this thing. So what we normally do as practice, or what I used to do. So as I said, it's main develop. From develop, we have our features. So I'm not sure if we can apply features because Zama was talking about features like whatever that they're working on. It will have a specific branch. So it have a feature branch. So if let's say we are working on an API test for user creation, right? Like creating a user. Let's say it's a feature. So that's going to be your branch, feature branch, and then it becomes your user creation. So once you are done working on a specific module, meaning which is an API testing for creating a user, that specific code once it runs, then you push it. What you push? I mean, you match, yeah, push, you push,
You match. Yeah.
yeah, you match into your feature branch here, user creation, right? And then what you're gonna do is this is gonna be, yeah, remember now below you develop, there's gonna be Zama SQE 25, for example, right? And then below Zama SQE, there's gonna be now your feature branches. Whatever features that you're working on, Zama 25, Zama SQE is gonna be sort of like her main branch. So after she's done with her feature, she must pull from Zama SQE and then push to it, right? And then when she
Right.
creates a new branch, maybe let's say updating a user, she's gonna pull from Zama SQ25 and then start creating a what? A new feature which is updating user. After that, she will then push to, I don't know if I'm making sense. In that way, it's
Yeah,
much
I understand you on my side.
in that way.
And
Yeah,
both
yes.
ideas, they are both got good ideas.
Yeah.
So I don't know which one we're taking.
Skosipi, Brandon.
Mhm.
No, I'm asking Sko and Brandon if they have input, and I'm sorry to put you on spotlight. Sorry, guys.
Well, I have no input. Anything works for me. So I'm just waiting for the decorum to be decided.
I think the one where everybody can understand it quickly, not the confusing one for people who are still starting. The less complicated one.
I'm struggling to hear.
I'm saying the less complicated one for people who are still new to it. I don't know.
Yeah, I also think for now we can just from the main branch, people create their branch one. They work on something,
Yeah. And
we
then pull to
discuss, and
branch. We decide. Yeah.
Okay.
I think for now, the
but
most easiest
the
one.
code that goes to main is the one that will
We
agree
all
on.
review.
Mm.
Yes. Yes. So we
Yes,
say,
I
okay,
and
let's review.
Nati can Nati can assign the thingy his code to Tulani and Philip, and then they just accept that review, but we discuss it as a group.
Is
Yes.
a group, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when Nati you using yeah, we learn all the strategies. Yes. And we do research what works in the industry. When I've Nati, sorry, look me to when Nati, you're using Visual Studio. I nearly said Vusi because I'm thinking Visual Studio. Okay. Do you mind sharing and then we show you how to create a branch for now because we still have time. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes. No, you are sharing your browser. You shared only your browser. Or maybe it's like Killer Game, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm also in the browser.
Yeah.
It's coming now. Okay, Visual Studio. Please go to the three dots. I want to see if you have that option there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm
You
also opening my
you
Visual
you'll
Studio.
need to create your SSH key
Oh,
first.
and network cam get on.
So yeah. So go to Unegit on your installed on your PC, right? Download this one. Let me share. Um, where's the chat here? Download this kit.
Can we download the Windows Portable or Windows Setup between the two? Which one?
Since it's my laptop, I use the setup, on my side.
Oh, okay, thank you. I want to see how to use this one, the one that you shared. Thanks.
No stress. Share Nat. Why did you stop sharing?
Not
It's
yet.
coming up.
Coming.
Yeah. Install. Yeah, it's too.
Oh, it's the same one that I have. Okay. The code is nice when you know it. Ish, Tina, when since we're still learning, I nkare e bokima. And I'm hijacking Brendan and Philip's language now.
Um, no,
Ish.
antique everything, antique, and then finish. Nah, yeah, don't antique that one. No, not that one. Just finish. And then open Git bash from your Windows start menu. Not sure if you have it on your desktop. Just look for Git shortcut. Yeah, Git bash. SSH key, SSH dash keychain, keychain. Yeah, one word. Keychain. No, gen like generate. GEN. Yeah, enter, enter. Yeah, enter your password. Yeah, enter and then enter your password again, and then cat. Yeah,
And Lana,
space.
we are cloning or when's one?
No, we're creating
No,
a
shame.
SSH key so that as a clone are using any like system yake basically without having to download a zip file.
Oh, oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Space um, dot SSH forward slash, press tab. Let's see what's in there. Tab. Um, so you need the ID EDE. The second one about ID underscore EDE what dot pub. Yeah. So type ID. Yeah, ID. Press tab and then dot pub. Enter. Copy that. Go to GitHub. Yeah, no, the website browser. Scroll up. Yeah, do you see your logo, like your face? Yeah, click on it. Settings. There should be settings somewhere, Lana. There.
Oh, guys, please excuse me,
No stress.
but I think we are in terms of that. Yeah, Nami, I will. If I encounter any issues, I will just contact you or post on the group.
No stress.
So
Yeah,
when I
choose
start
that
feeling
one.
and stuff.
All right.
All right, thank you a lot, guys. Good night, man.
Good night.
Cheers.
Sharp, sharp.
Um, New SSH key. Paste where it says key. Give it a title like my personal key. No, not lab. Or they're on time. No, not there. Not there.
No, 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 you're not.
No, you're not.
I'm
It's up to you. It's up to you. Whatever. Like, give it a name. Any name. Now you won't need that to remember it. There's no need. Then click add SSH key. Yeah. Then go back to project layer two. Nah. Um. Click the back button. Yeah. Yeah. Click on code. The green but yeah. And then SSH. And then you see the link ne? There's a copy button next to the link. Yeah, and then go to your git bash, um git clone, or just before that navigate to apho ufuna ukuyisavela khona, maybe cd to desktop or documents wherever. Just type lapho on git cd khona la on the terminal. Yeah, yes, there. cd cd means change directory. No, type, no, do ls. Let's see what to go because I'm not. So what do you want to save it under my documents or under desktop? Desktop, okay. So cd, where's desktop? At capital D, desktop with capital D. Type that because I'm money land. There should be desktop somewhere here. Okay, the directory does not exist. Okay, move it to yeah, file documents because I don't even know what to desktop here. Cd to documents and then git yeah, git clone, and then you paste that control C space, yeah, and then paste. You have
yeah,
to
like
right click.
control it. Yeah.
It's control shift, and then V if you want to paste them as shortcuts. Git clone, control shift V.
Yeah, let's say you right click on this git what thingy.
Okay, right
Git
click,
bash. The
paste,
shortcuts don't work.
enter. and then type yes. Enter password. Okay. You do not have read from remote. How anginika ngama rights kanti let me see. The problem is on the git. Mara, that's what you do. I'll try to fix the your rights on my side. Ne? I think if you have a problem, everyone has a problem.
I was able to clone and open the project. Yeah.
Did you clone or did you download?
What's download and clone? I cloned the
You
Git clone, Yabole.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then
So
I pulled my page.
it seems like Unatic pilot. Yeah. And that you don't have my rights. So let me see what's different on your side because I gave everyone same rights. So I don't understand. Um, I'll update you again. Yeah. I yeah, I'm busy with it. Where's Git? QA settings. I want to see on a different for when. Konje, what's your username? Nathi sonke ne. Okay. Yeah. How you have the same rights, Mos. Uh, Settings I'll keep pinning ukufaka and then you try. Do the very same commands. After that, if nekbe is avela under your documents, then you should be able to run it on your IDE as well. Allow merge commits, allow squash merging.
Do we have to use SSH?
Not really, but then just for quick access, SSH for if you want to git clone, git push, git commit, instead of you having to upload it manually. I think SSH makes things simpler. Unless there's a different way that I don't know. Okay, angas. We're here to learn. Everyone is here to learn. Is there a different way?
I think when you clone, you can, and you're given privileges, then you can pull, you can push, you can do all of those things without having to do any additional things. I think clone works better.
Yeah, and then I know the Git clone, and then you paste the link that you get from GitHub.
So you guys didn't create a SSH keys.
No.
No, we just went to a directory and copied HTTP and went onto a command prompt and typed git clone in the directory, and then it clones it to there, and
Or
then you open it in IntelliJ, and then that is linked to a GitHub yakho, so you can clone, you can push, you can pull, you can do whatever without needing additional steps or authorization.
Oh, I see. Or you clone using HTTPS, not SSH. I think now,
Yes.
okay, I think you can also do the same now and that. Instead of going to SSH, go to HTTPS and do the same thing. Mna bengiphumile GitHub.
Yes, you can just copy.
Yeah.
Yes, and then no, you can go to your Explorer where you're gonna save your project, Windows Explorer, and mhlambe documents, or even desktop. You right click More options. No more. Show more options. Oh no, you can create a folder. Git bash. Sorry, I'm just rushing because of time now. Folder.
New folder, yeah.
Yeah, you can create. Yeah, maybe say 25, 17 today date-ish. Okay, the name you will change afterwards. Go inside the thingy. Go inside the folder. Right click. Show more options, and then git bash. Scroll
Git
down to
bash,
git
yeah.
bash. Click that.
Bash,
Git bash. Yes, and then git clone.
git
No,
clone,
type
okay.
git clone space clone space, and then you paste. Enter. Yes. Yeah, and then go to Visual Studio.
I think you can do cd into that and then type code dot.
Okay.
No,
Cd.
cd into cd and then tab. We have 1 minute left. Cd tab, press tab, press tab. No, cd and then press tab. Where? What's the name of that? Bala SQE space SQE. I think it's capital S. Can you move the window or go to Lentus like do it manually, okay, VS Code. Open it to VS Code manually, okay, once. Or right click it and then open in VS Code.
And then there you have. While you're waiting, go to Git and create your branch, or you can create it from here or from Git.
Web, yeah, Git web. We have 2 minutes.
Website, and then click. There's branches. There's main and two branches. Click that. Two branches. And
New
then new.
branch.
Yes, and put your name.
Yeah,
Yes.
call is ending now.
Yes, but siyabonga kakhulu Thulani.
No stress. Yeah, all good.
Yes, and
And
then
then ngapho that Git check out and then the name of your branch.
the call is about to.
Yeah, Git bash. Git bash. Mara, you can hit us up on ku WhatsApp on